Hello everyone, let's solve another math problem. Let star be the binary operation on the rational numbers given by a star b is equal to a plus b plus 2ab. Which of the following are true? Star is commutative. There is a rational number that is a star identity. And every rational number has a star inverse. And the options we can select are various combinations of these statements. Okay, so commutativity is obvious. So option 1, or property 1 is certainly true. And in terms of the multiple choice options I'm given, this only eliminates one of the options. So we need to really just figure out whether 2 and 3 are true. My well, let's just try and figure out by hand, trying constructing identities or inverses. So oh, this is not. I'm trying to find an inverse here. I've skipped one of the properties. I want to do this in order. I want to see if there exists a b such that this is always true. Yeah, b is equal to 0. Right? Right? A times 0 is equal to a plus 0 plus 0. Okay, so there is always an identity. Okay, so now property 3, can we find inverses? Every rational number has an inverse. I suspect the answer to this one is going to be no, because of we're going to have to divide by something, and that denominator could be 0. So if I'm given b, and I multiply by this thing, I multiply b by this, we'll always get 1. The problem is this thing may not always be defined in the case of this denominator. So let's consider b equal to negative 1 over 2. I'm saying that this does not have an inverse. So a times negative 1 over 2 is equal to a minus a half plus 2a times negative a half, which is equal to, oh, wait a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. The identity is 0. So I'm not looking for this product to be equal to 1. I'm looking for this product to be equal to 0. Does this change anything? So b equal to negative a half should still give us problems. Let's figure out what a times negative a half is equal to. It's always equal to a minus a half minus a, right? Which is equal to negative 1 over 2, which is not equal to 0. And 0 is the identity of this operation. So that didn't end up changing anything. So there is an identity, and the identity is 0. But and every rational has an inverse given by this, except for b equals negative a half. So only properties 1 and 2 are true. So in terms of the options we're given, this is option C. 1 and 2 only. That was a cool problem. It would have been kind of nice if this made a difference, putting a 0 or a 1 there. You know, obviously, very often your instinct is, when you're talking about identities and inverses, you know, the inverse is usually denoted by a 1, or it is 1. But yeah, in this case, the identity is 0, and so when you're looking for an inverse, it's a product of things that multiply to 0. Yeah, if I have any more to say about this one, I'll put it down in the description. Otherwise, thanks for watching.